Kampot is located in the southern part of Cambodia, about 148 kilometers away from Phnom Penh. It can be reached by National Road number 3, number 31, and number 33. There is railroad available from Kampot to Sihanoukville. Kampot is bordered with Kampong Speu province on the north, Sihanoukville and Seashore on the west, Kap province and Vietnam on the south, and Takao province on the east. Kampot is an administrative area with 7 districts, 1 city, 88 communes, 5 quarters, and 488 villages. The total population is 585,850 people, with a density of 120 people per square kilometer, according to 2008 census. Kampot is a province with great potential for investment in the field of agriculture, agro-industry, industry, and tourism due to the potential of natural resources. The existing natural resources are sold with the maximum productivity of 80,000 tons per year, which is able to supply for national consumption. In addition, cement is another potential resource with annual productivity of 2 million tons. Since 2011, Kampot has benefited from the Kamchai hydropower plant with the capacity of 193 megawatt. Kampot also supplies the electricity to the neighboring provinces and cities such as Kap, Sihanoukville, and Phnom Penh. Moreover, Kampot has 40 natural resorts, particularly Preh Moni Vung National Park, which also known as Boko Mountain. It's increasingly welcome to national as well as international tourists. Also, Kampot is a special economic zone with a deep water seaport. The special economic zone is located in Katut Commune, Kampot District. This 1,000-hectare highly potential economic zone is being developed and will become a strong competitor with autonomous port in Sihanoukville. On October 22, 2008, an agreement to form a sister city between Kampot province of the Kingdom of Cambodia and Paisu city of the People's Republic of China was signed in Nanning, a provincial city of Guangxi province of China. According to the agreement, both cities will facilitate and cooperate in the sector of industry, agriculture, forestry, fishery, economic, commerce, education, human resources, science and technology, tourism, culture, and public health. In 2011, when Kampot province was encountering flood, Paisu city donated 60 water pumps, 30 tractors, and trucks to help Kampot people fight against flood. While it has already been a better and potential place for investment, Kampot is continuously working to enhance its good environment for business. Kampot will continue to develop and improve its facility and environment to attract more investment. We openly welcome new investors from the country as well as those from abroad who want to invest in the natural potential resources of the province, especially the strengthening of solidarity and good cooperation on economic, social, and cultural sector with Paisu City, the Guangxi Guang Autonomous Region of the People's Republic of China. Kampot will be developed and improved soon. Thank you for your attention.